Jew. Hello guys. What's up my best and beautiful, my best people. In case you are new on my channel, this is Burundian traveler all the way from Burundi. Hey, Burundi in East Africa. Burundi is a country of East Africa. We are bordering with the three countries, which is Tanzania, Tanzania, Rwanda, and Congo. Tanzania is in south and east, and Congo is in east, in west. They say actually DRC. So is in west, and also Rwanda in northern part. So today's video is an amazing one. You are a village boy here. You know, we are trying to make this house very clean, renovating it, you know, and do whatever, but there is a big thing we are already done. You see here, you can see everything is under control, you know. There is a window now. It's look like amazing. You see another one, it looks very amazing. The door over there, you see everything, and inside you can see by your own eyes. And I'm with my sister. We are trying to do maybe, how can I call it, sanitation or whatever. You see, she's hard worker. Say hi, sister.
Hi.
Yeah, what is your name?
My name is Benigne Nihezagire.
Yeah, okay. Her name is Benigne Nihezagire. For those who don't know her, she's my elder one, but my little sister, she's already actually finished the school, but no, not the school. Yeah, college, high school. They say high school. She finished the high school already. So we are trying to remove this soil over here and put it over there. And actually there is more soil beside. But not only that, today is like a clean up day, you know. We need to clean the compound, and at least maybe to see the look of the house. So I can say the first step is already finished. So here is just a part of cleaning the house, you see. Yeah, so but this one will not have a ceiling, you know. So everything is all right. You can see even you have right over here. This one is, let me show you. You see, at night is like we are in Europe, in America. Okay, so guys, let's work on it and try to see up to evening what will be already done, you know. Let's work on this. Oh yeah. Guys, she's asking me if I'm gonna be tired a lot if I carry like this. Guys, we're almost done. Look, almost done with my sister here. We are very busy, so now we are going at last to make this place like to look okay, you know, to look beautiful, you know, to look beautiful. Yes.
babiri impande y'inzu. Kwa hiyo itavuka.
Aha, guys, let's go. Let's go. Guys, we almost, let us continue this job fast, eh? Yeah. Guys, we are trying to make the doors clean, you know, because we need to clean everything over here. Need to clean everything. So guys, let's just continue this work. Today is today. Enad, Nadine. No, I have to heal there to get it. Guys, it looks clean, can you see? So we are going on the door maybe. Yes. Guys, you see? That is the progress now. Man, it's really amazing. This is our new house. You can see that. Welcome to Burundiani Travelers Home. You see guys, I'm already cleaned everywhere right here, everywhere. But this, you know, they did not fix them very well, so I have to do everything by myself here. So I'm going to clean inside because we finished outside, so we are going inside. And this is our neighbor. Vuga hello. Hello. Uratinya kuvuga hello. Vuga hi. Guys, you see how she was married very young. She's very young, I'm telling you. Ufite imyaka ingahe? Witwa nde? Mama Tony. Ufite imyaka ingahe? It's not okay to ask for a girl maybe here like how old are you? It's not, yeah? No. Hey. No. She's 21. With the one kid. So I'm going to fix everything over here. You see, we have even the right everywhere. Good. Mama Tony. Uranzi. Eh? Uranzi. See, a kid. Oh, he's sick. What am I meeting? Huh? I was asking if she gave a kid the medicine. She said yes, because she's sick actually. They are coming from hospital. See guys, this is the progress. We already did everything. So now we are going to clean everywhere. Guys, we were just trying to clean. We are already cleaned over here. You see even the window, it's look more advanced, you know. Also here you need to make the electricity right now. Hopefully I will just finish right now. It will not take a big time like no. So after that, also this side, you see. But here there was a planning to put the door. That's why you see it look like this. But you know the big challenge which I had right here, guys, even when I have like money to continue the work, to get masons here, like you see, they can work today, tomorrow no one, another day like that, 2 days later to come and you don't get another one. And I have a dream to travel. So what I see, and you can see more utensils over here, we put it, you know, and all other side they are already actually put the cement on the floor, just like that. So this room don't have a right, this one also, and the other side. So I need to put it right, and this room and the other one over there, I think also here. And after that I will have at least maybe two. I feel guys like I have to travel maybe somewhere at least, but I can give money to my mom so that they can continue with the work. Yeah. And my mom, she's here. Hey mama. Welcome. Hey. Ramutsa abantu none. Yeah, urashobora kuvuga hi, hello. Guys, I'm trying to tell her that you can say hi or hello, you know. Nani ubona ibikorwa bigeze he?
Ibikorwa kweli ndabona ko biriko biragenda neza.
Bisa n'ivyaheze cyane.
Bisa nuko biriko birahera ariko haracyari ibisigaye bike. Ubona kweli ariko biriko birahera.
Bisa n'ibiko birahera.
Mushishikare guhezagirwa kweli.
Murakoze. She's saying that the work it is still maybe a little bit, but not that much. So, and you can see the really beautiful look over here. Yeah, that is the look of house right now, guys. So she said like, oh, may God keep bless us. May God keep bless us, because you know the work is almost finished over here. It did not, but you know, for me, like imagine they are going to come on Monday. Still like, oh my god. Imagine Mason cannot come on maybe about 3 days or 4 days. So you see, that is another hectic thing like that, man, you know, because I don't like that. So you see, they will have maybe to make a place where the water will pass through, and also we need someone to help us, maybe to have this hole. I dug this hole the other day. Hopefully you saw me, guys. And also to finish this side, and you know, they did this yesterday, but to the other side they did not. So, and you know, also our toilet over here, it needs it needs maybe cement and whatever. Also this one, but you know the problem, no masons. Get masons really hard in my village. There is a time we don't have a lot of masons here. When you get masons, no cement. Everything is craziest. So it's ready to clean the windows, as you see. You can see also this door over here. It looks more good. You see, very nice until you can see me inside. Can you see me? Yeah. So I'm just going maybe to make this electricity over here so that we can have enough electricity over here, guys. Yeah, let me do. So guys, I already made this right over here. Yeah, and also there is another one over here. I'm already did. You see, you can see was cleaning. Just this is another light over here. So today was just a right day, and also to make everything be great and amazing, you know. So after all that, we done. So guys, but this one actually I have to bring another light so that it can work well, you know. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. It's really evening. You can see even the sun is going down right there. I don't know if you can see it well, but it's already went down actually. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me just say bye, guys.